Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD/INR technical view. In previous trading session, Nifty opened with an upward gap and buying momentum throughout the session led index to close near day's high. Nifty closed around 8070 with gain of 135 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a sizable bullish candle forming higher high-low formation compared to previous session, indicating positive bias. With current close of 8070 levels, Nifty has decisively broken out its 5 weeks consolidation range of 8000 and 7700 levels on closing basis, indicating strength. This breakout was accompanied with high volumes, which signals increased participation on buying side. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, index has witnessed a resumption of its earlier uptrend as it has continued to form higher top, higher bottom formation. The chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8080 levels, then it may witness further intraday buying momentum towards 8130 and 8170 levels. From current levels, an immediate intraday support zone is around 8030 levels. However, any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking in the range of 8000 and 7980 levels. Nifty currently is quoting above its 20, 50 as well as 100-day simple moving average, which are the important short-term moving averages indicating positive bias in short term as well as in medium term. Nifty continue to remain in uptrend in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any short-term correction will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory and they are quoting above their reference line, indicating buying may arise on short-term correction. Some positive bias stock for the day are Shriram Transport Finance, DLF, Indiabulls Housing Finance, Century Textile, Yes Bank, HDFC Limited and Dr. Reddy. Moving to the USD/INR technical view, in previous trading session, USD/INR opened on a negative note and selling pressure throughout the session led USD/INR to close in negative territory around 67.17 level. It has closed with loss of 0.37%. It was the second consecutive session that USD/INR has extended its down move, forming a bearish candle. It has also formed a lower high-low formation compared to previous session and has closed below previous session's low, indicating weakness. On hourly chart, USD/INR has witnessed shift of trend to the downside. For the day, if USD/INR trade and sustains below 67.15 level, then it may witness further downside momentum towards 67 and 66.990 levels. On the upside, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 67.30 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory and they are quoting below their reference line, indicating weakness ahead. Thank you.